Hey everyone, greetings. Today, we're diving deep into a platform that actually makes money. I've tried it myself, so I know the truth. It's called OneForma. And trust me, no fluff, no hype, just real facts and ways you too can earn. Let's not waste time. We'll jump right in. In this channel, there's no BS, only solid knowledge, legit money-making ideas. Let's get rolling. Now, as you can see, OneForma lists many jobs here, but most of them ask for a CV and other useless hurdles. Don't worry, I'll show you one job that doesn't require any CV at all. All you have to do is apply, wait for a mail to complete a quick certification, and boom, you're in. Let's keep going. Once you hit that join button, you'll land on this page. And this is where the magic starts. Signing up is super simple. Just enter your first and last name, email address, and choose your country of residence. Create a password, confirm it, and tick the boxes to agree to the terms and privacy policy. That's it. No hidden fees, no complicated process, just a quick sign-up to unlock real paying opportunities. Remember, every journey to making money online starts with this step, so don't overthink it. Just sign up and get inside OneForma. After signing up, the next step is logging into your OneForma account. This is where you'll actually access all the projects and opportunities. Simply enter the email and password you just created. Hit login. Security is a top priority with OneForma, and that's why they use multi-factor authentication. Don't worry, it's super simple. All you need to do is download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open it, tap the plus sign, then just scan the QR code you see here, and the app will generate a one-time verification code. Enter that code, hit verify, and boom, your account is protected. This extra layer keeps your money and your projects safe, so it's 100% worth the 2 minutes it takes to set up. Once you enter your verification code, you're officially inside your OneForma account. And this is where the real earning opportunities appear. Here under the Jobs tab, you'll see categories like UHRS projects and Milky Way projects. These are some of the most popular and consistent ways to earn money on the platform. To keep it simple, go ahead and click on Milky Way projects. Here's where things get exciting. The Milky Way projects. You'll see two options: apply for maps or apply for Lightspeed. Now, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend going with Lightspeed. Why? Because it doesn't require a CV or any extra paperwork. No endless forms, no nonsense. Just click, apply, and you're in. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning on OneForma, and it's designed so anyone can jump right in and begin working without delays. Once you hit apply, now at the bottom, a pop-up will be shown that you have applied, then you will receive a mail next day, and then log in again, and at top right corner there will be certifications and surveys. Don't skip these. They're super important. Just complete the certifications, answer the quick surveys, and complete the certification, and boom, you're officially selected for the project. From there, it's all about working, earning, and cashing out. The best part? OneForma pays through PayPal and other reliable methods, so your money is safe and easy to withdraw. This is the point where browsing turns into actual income, and it's way simpler than most platforms out there. And also, they provide clear instructions on what to do next, and their support is very good. Also, if you want the answers to the certifications, you can access them through link in the description. Thank you, and keep earning.